We are back again with another unboxing. I'm not talking about the DJI Mic 2, get that shit out of here. I do have that, but this is about the DILLON DRC 556 suppressor. I'm so excited, I'm not even wearing gloves. I don't even care. I am testing out the Mic 2, but we are also going to be taking a look at this suppressor. Oh my lord, look at it in all of its horrendous beauty. People love it, people hate it. It's got a good focus there. Along with that, we also get a nice block of foam. Who doesn't love that? Got a sticker flying out here. I'm not even wearing a shirt. I got a DILLON logo sticker. We got a sticker of their TAC 501, very expensive rifle that I will never be able to purchase. More DILLON stickers, and the suppressor handbook. And that's it. That's all you get in this box. Here's the table of contents. Mine did come with the hub adapter already installed, as you can see here. The hub adapter must be torqued on the suppressor to 20 foot-pounds. I'm assuming they did that, but I'm going to double check just to be sure. So mine actually did not come torqued. I had to just torque it now. It was pretty loose actually, so that's kind of a dig. However, I didn't expect for it to actually come on there at all, so can't really blame them. You then have to direct thread the suppressor on the rifle itself and then torque it down to 30 foot-pounds. As you can see there, I kind of scuffed it trying to do that, but it's whatever. It's going to get dinged up anyways. They also recommend to clean the muzzle tip every 1,000 rounds and the entire suppressor itself every 5,000 rounds. As you can see here, or not, because it uses the flow-through PIP technology here, you have to clean it a lot more frequently than any other suppressor that's on the market, really. But how does it sound? We will be finding out soon once I test this Surefire Scout Turbo, as well as the suppressor. I will make a video very soon, so stay tuned for that.